Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel.
Hi, friends. We are so happy to see you today.
My name is Sophia.
And my name is Jason.
We are your English teachers.
Yes, we help you learn English.
We make English easy and fun.
Very easy and very fun.
Jason, how are you today?
I am great, Sophia. Thank you. How are you?
I am very good. I am excited for today's lesson.
Me too. I am very excited.
Before we start, friends, we need your help.
Yes, if you like our videos, please click the like button.
The like button is very important. It helps us a lot.
And please subscribe to our channel.
When you subscribe, you can see all our new videos.
We make new videos every week.
Every week, we teach you something new in English.
So please click subscribe.
And turn on notifications.
Yes, then YouTube will tell you when we have a new video.
Perfect! Thank you so much, friends.
Okay, Sophia, what is our topic today?
Today, we learn how to talk about yourself.
Talk about yourself. This is very important.
Yes, when you meet new people, you need to introduce yourself.
Introduce yourself means to tell people about you.
Exactly. You tell people your name, where you are from, what you do.
And maybe your hobbies.
Yes, things you like to do.
This lesson is perfect for beginners.
Yes, if you are A1 or A2 level, this is for you.
We will speak slowly and clearly.
Yes, so you can understand everything.
Are you ready?
Let's start. First, let's learn how to say your name.
This is the easiest part.
There are different ways to say your name in English.
Yes, let me show you. Hello, my name is Jason.
Good. You can say, my name is, and then your name.
My name is Jason. Very easy.
Or you can say, I am Sophia.
I am Jason.
Simple. I am, and then your name.
Another way is just to say, I'm Jason.
Yes, I'm is short for I am.
I'm Jason. It's the same.
Perfect. So we have 3 ways. My name is Sophia. I am Sophia. I'm Sophia.
All 3 are correct.
You can use any of them.
Now, friends at home, please practice. Say your name.
Yes, say it out loud. My name is, and say your name.
Good job, everyone.
Next, we learn how to say where you are from.
Where you are from means your country or your city.
Yes, the place where you live or were born.
Let me give an example. I am from London.
London? That's in England, right?
Yes, London is in England. I am from England.
Great. You can say, I am from, and then your country or city.
I am from London. I am from England. Both are correct.
And I am from California.
California. That's in the United States.
Yes, I am from California. I am from the United States.
You can also say, I'm from California.
I'm from California. Remember, I'm is short for I am.
Very good. Now let's practice a question.
Yes. Jason, where are you from?
I am from London. Sophia, where are you from?
I am from California.
Perfect. The question is, where are you from?
And the answer is, I am from, and your place.
Friends, practice this question. Ask yourself, where am I from?
And answer, I am from, and say your country or city.
Excellent practice.
Now let's talk about age.
Age means how old you are.
Sometimes people ask, "How old are you?"
This is a common question.
To answer, you say, "I am," and then your age.
For example, I am 35 years old.
35. You can say, "I am 35 years old."
Or you can just say, I am 35.
Yes, both are correct, with or without years old.
I am 28 years old.
Wait, Jason, I thought you said you were 35.
Oh, sorry, I made a mistake. Yes, I am 35.
It's okay. Mistakes are okay.
Yes, when you learn English, you will make mistakes. It's normal.
Very normal. Don't worry about mistakes.
The important thing is to practice.
Exactly. Now, friends, practice your age. How old are you?
Say it out loud. I am years old.
Good job.
Next, let's talk about your job.
Your job is what you do for work.
Yes, some people are teachers, some are doctors, some are students.
Exactly. Let me give an example. I am a teacher.
Yes, Sophia is a teacher. She teaches English.
I am a teacher. Notice I say, I am a teacher.
Yes, you need the word before the job.
I am a teacher. I am a doctor. I am a student.
Always use a.
What about you, Jason? What do you do?
I am a teacher too. I teach English.
We are both teachers.
Yes, we love teaching.
Now, maybe some of you are students.
Yes, you can say, I am a student.
I am a student. Very simple.
Or maybe you work in a shop. You can say, I am a shop assistant.
Or I work in a shop.
Yes, I work in is another way to talk about your job.
I work in a hospital. I work in a school. I work in an office.
All of these are correct.
So you have two ways. I am a or I work in.
Both are good.
Friends, what do you do? Are you a student? Do you work?
Practice saying your job in English.
Yes, say it out loud.
Now, let's talk about hobbies.
Hobbies. This is fun.
Hobbies are things you like to do in your free time.
Yes, when you don't work or study, what do you do?
For example, I like reading.
Reading. That's a great hobby.
Yes, I like reading books. I read every day.
Notice Jason says, I like reading.
Yes, I like, and then the activity with ing.
I like reading. I like cooking. I like swimming.
What about you, Sophia? What are your hobbies?
I like cooking.
Cooking. Yum. Do you cook every day?
Yes, I cook almost every day. I like making new dishes.
That's wonderful.
I also like watching movies.
Watching movies? Me too. I love movies.
Yes, I like watching movies in English. It helps me practice.
Great idea. Movies are good for learning English.
So, friends, what do you like doing?
Do you like playing sports?
Do you like listening to music?
Do you like playing video games?
Think about your hobbies.
And practice saying them. I like, and then the activity.
I like dancing. I like painting. I like running.
So many hobbies.
Yes, everyone has different hobbies.
Okay, friends, now we know all the parts.
Yes, we know how to say our name, where we are from, our age, our job, and our hobbies.
Now let's put it all together.
Yes, let's make a complete introduction.
I will go first. Hello, my name is Jason. I am from London. I am 35 years old. I am a teacher. I like reading and watching movies.
Perfect, Jason. That was a great introduction.
Thank you. Now you try, Sophia.
Okay. Hello. My name is Sophia. I am from California. I am 30 years old. I am a teacher. I like cooking and watching movies.
Excellent. See, friends, it's easy.
Yes, you just put all the information together.
Let me say it again slowly. My name is Jason. I am from London. I am 35 years old. I am a teacher. I like reading and watching movies.
Very clear. Now, friends at home, it's your turn.
Yes, practice your introduction.
Say your name, say where you are from, say your age, say your job, say your hobbies.
All together.
You can pause the video and practice.
Yes, pause and practice. That's the best way to learn.
And you can practice in front of a mirror.
A mirror. That's a great idea.
Yes, look at yourself in the mirror and introduce yourself.
It helps you feel more confident.
Confident means you feel good and strong.
Yes, practice makes you confident.
Okay, friends, let's review what we learned today.
Review means to look at everything again.
Yes, we learned how to talk about yourself in English.
First, we learned how to say your name.
My name is Sophia. I am Sophia. I'm Sophia. 3 ways.
Second, we learned how to say where you were from.
I am from California. I'm from California.
Third, we learned how to say your age.
I am 30 years old. Or just, I am 30.
Fourth, we learned how to say your job.
I am a teacher. Or, I work in a school.
And fifth, we learned how to talk about your hobbies.
I like cooking. I like watching movies. I like reading.
Remember to use ing after I like.
Yes, very important.
And then we put everything together to make a complete introduction.
Yes, a full introduction with all the information.
This is very useful when you meet new people.
You can use this at school, at work, or when you travel.
Everywhere.
So practice, practice, practice.
The more you practice, the better you get.
Yes, practice makes perfect.
Now, friends, we have homework for you.
Homework! Don't worry, it's fun homework.
Yes, very fun. We want you to introduce yourself in the comments.
Yes, in the comments below this video, write your introduction.
Write your name, where you are from, your age if you want, your job, and your hobbies.
You can write in English. Don't worry about mistakes.
Mistakes are okay. We all make mistakes.
Yes, the important thing is to practice.
We will read all your comments.
Yes, we love reading your comments.
And we will reply to some of them.
So please go to the comments now and introduce yourself.
We can't wait to meet you.
We want to know about you.
Where are you from? What do you like doing?
Tell us everything in the comments.
And also, friends, if you have questions about today's lesson, write them in the comments too.
Yes, if something is not clear, ask us.
We are here to help you.
We want you to learn English well.
Okay, friends, that's all for today.
Yes! Thank you so much for watching.
We hope you enjoyed this lesson.
We hope you learned something new.
Remember to practice your introduction.
Practice every day, even just 5 minutes.
5 minutes every day is very good.
Yes! Small steps every day.
Don't forget to like this video
Yes! Click the like button if you enjoyed it.
and subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe so you don't miss our next video.
We have new videos every week,
Every week, we teach you something new.
so make sure you subscribe.
Okay, friends, thank you again.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
We love teaching you.
And we will see you in the next video.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye. Keep practicing.